how to add notes on Instagram reels and posts. Hey, welcome back, and in this video we're gonna show you how you can get this feature and how you can leave a note on someone's post or Instagram reels. The notes that you'll leave will be visible to your friends and followers for up to 3 days, and the first step that we will do is to open your app store. If you are on your iPhone or the Google Play Store on your Android, and make sure that Instagram is updated to the latest version. Update age. Open it. This is a new feature which Instagram has rolled out. And then let's continue the next step. I will leave a note on someone's Instagram reel. So I will open the reels section in Instagram. If you want to leave a note on someone's post, we will click on this little airplane icon. You will get a pop-up menu where we can share this reel with our friends, but you will also see a bunch of options at the bottom. Here you need to press on the note option. You will get this interface where you can leave your note just like you would write regular Instagram notes. You can put emoji or text, and this is your own choice. Once you leave a note, you can simply share it. That note will now display it alongside the reel or post, and your followers will be able to see your thoughts on this reel or picture. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.